birthday, Wawa.
Happy birthday, Wawa.
Happy birthday, Ate Ellen. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Maring Ellen!
Hi, Mars. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and happiness and lalo kang pabata ng pabata. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mare! More birthdays to come, Mama!
Wawa.
Happy birthday, tita. Always stay healthy sa inyo po lahat. Much love. Hi, Tita Ellen. Happy birthday po. I wish you all the best, more life, and healthy living.
Hello. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. We love you from Canada team.
Hi, Ate Mars. Happy birthday. May all your heart's desires come true.
Happy birthday! More birthdays to come.
Sending my best wishes on your special day.
Happy birthday, Ate Mars!
Hi, Mami Ellen. Happy birthday po.
Happy 60th birthday po, Ninang. More birthdays to come and more blessings to come. Good health and God bless. We love you po. I love you, Mama. Chup chup!
Ninang, happy birthday po. Ang wish po namin sa inyo ay good health. Yun lang po. At thank you po sa mga tulong sa aming mag-asawa. Happy birthday po ulit. Salamat po.
Happy birthday, Maring Ellen.
Bye-bye!
Hi, Ellen. Happy birthday. Sana isapitin ka pa ng marami pang
Mare, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo good health and more birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Ellen. Happy birthday, Ate Ellen. Wish ko sa'yo good health at saka more wealth. Tapos pautang naman. Tapos, welcome to the Seniors Club. Yan, meron ka ng discount ngayon sa kain. Pwede na maya kumain at may discount. Happy birthday! Pasensya na, hindi makakapunta.
Hey, Maring Ellen. Welcome to the club. Siyempre, dual citizen ka na rin. Kaya, happy birthday. Sana, humaba pa ang iyong buhay kasi unang-una, wala ka na namang pwedeng hiligin sa Panginoon kasi halos nasa inyo ng lahat. Kaya, good health. Happy birthday again and God bless.
Hello, Ate Ellen. Happy birthday. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming kaarawan. God bless. Bye-bye.
Sending our best wishes on your birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, Tita! We love you!
Hello po, Mami Ellen. Happy birthday po. God bless po.
Hi, Tita Ellen. Happy birthday po. Enjoy your day. God bless po.
Mare, happy birthday. Naway maging masaya ka na ngayong kaarawan mo. God bless. Mare, happy birthday.
Mare, happy birthday! Sana humaba pa ang iyong buhay at dumami pa ang maraming birthday mo.
Happy 60th birthday po, Ninang. More birthday pa po. Salamat po sa lahat. God bless po.
Sa aming sexy, maganda at super bait na ninang, happy 60th birthday po. Wishing you po good health, long life, more happiness, and more blessings. I heart you po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Simong.
Happy birthday sa pinakamagandang morena ng Lopez Cuevas siblings. Hey! Thank you, Tita, for always being there for all of us, for always supporting us and guiding us in every possible way that you can. You are a genuinely beautiful person with a genuinely beautiful heart. That's why you are so blessed. Again, happy birthday. Have a blast on your day. We love you always.
Happy birthday, Ate Ellen. Nandito kami sa airport ngayon on our way to Philippines para maka-attend ng birthday mo. Happy birthday, Tita Ellen.
Mami!
Hello, Mami!
Happy birthday, man!
Happy 60th!
Love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Ellen! Good health!
Happy birthday, Nanay Ellen!
Hello po, happy birthday po. Ang wish namin ay good health and more candles to blow. Happy birthday po!
Hello po, happy birthday po, boss.
Happy birthday po, Ninang Ellen. And more birthdays to come po. Salamat po sa lahat-lahat. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Maring Ellen. I wish you all the best. Good health and more blessings. Happy 60th birthday. Stay as sweet as you are. God bless. Happy birthday again.
Birthday, Tita Ellen!
Happy birthday po. Enjoy your birthday po. Oh, smile muna sa...
Ingat po palagi.
Enjoy mo sa lalaki. Smile.
Paano pag happy birthday, anak?
Clap muna at happy birthday.
Siya, flying kiss na.
Flying kiss na.
sa lola.
Happy birthday po
Happy birthday
ulit.
po.
Happy birthday, Lola Ellen. More birthdays to come.
We miss you. God bless. Happy birthday.
Miss you. Happy birthday. My birthdays to come.
Pengi pong handa.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lola Ellen. We wish you very good health and happiness. Not just today, but always. Again, happy birthday po, and have a good one.
Maring Ellen, happy birthday. Salamat sa maraming discount sa Gold Star.
Freebies.
Wish ko sa'yo good health and many more birthdays to come. Nga pala, sinali ka namin sa Zumba. See you sa Saturday sa pinagkaisahan.
Yan. Happy birthday, Maring Idol. Ayan, alam mo namang idol na idol ko kayo ni Paring Se. Ayan, wish ko lang good health at saka more and more blessings. Yan. Tsaka marami pang birthdays na ma-celebrate ng ganito.
Ako idol ko si Maring Ellen sa pagsasalita.
Na laging surprise.
Hindi, sana makuha ko yung kalumanayan mo magsalita.
Sana nga turuan mo nga ito kung paano maging malumanay ba. Yung mahinang-mahina, hindi yung sigaw agad.
Che!
Kaya idol ko yan eh. Ayan, happy birthday ulit, Maring Ellen. We love you.
Hi Mare, happy birthday, and in behalf of our family, we would like to greet you a happy birthday, and sana marami pa tayong birthday na celebrate. God bless.
Hi, Ate Ellen. Happy 60th birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday.
God bless you.
Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.
1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Wawa!
Happy birthday, Ate Ellen! God bless and more years to come, and enjoy your day.
Happy
From
birthday!
us here in Australia. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Bye!
Happy birthday po, Mami Tita Nina.
Salamat po sa suporta niyo lagi sa amin ni Joanne.
Wishing you good health po.
More apo to come po.
Kakanta po sana ko kaya baka po umiyak.
Miss you po, Nina, sobra.
Love you, Mommy.
See you soon.
Happy birthday, Nanay Ellen!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Wawa!
Happy birthday? Ano sabihin nila? Happy birthday?
Saan tayo pupunta?
Saan punta si Kai? Wawa!
House?
House? House? Wawa!
Wawa!
Happy birthday po, tita. Naway patuloy po kayong pagpalain ng Panginoon at bigyan ng mas mahaba pa pong buhay. Happy birthday po. Maraming salamat po.
60th birthday, Tita Ellen! We love you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hope you have a good day on your special...
good day!
More blessings.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Ellen! Happy birthday to you! Hip hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Happy birthday, Ate Ellen. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tia Ellen! We love you!
Ate Ellen, sinusundo namin. Ate Ellen, sinusundo namin kasi para pumunta sa birthday mo. Kaya kami nagpunta din eh. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Ellen.
Okay na.
Maraming salamat sa buong pamilya mo, ng Cuevas at ng Malambag hanggang sa nagkaasawa ka. Nandyan ako sa inyo at nandyan ka rin sa piling ko. At maraming salamat din at inabot mo ang ganyang edad ng maligaya at ng may ngiti sa iyong mga labi. Naging successful ang iyong pamilya. Ang wish ko, more years to celebrate, good health, and God bless. Happy birthday, Maring Ellen, my BFF, forever and ever. Ayan. Mwah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Maringen. Sana ikaw kami. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Madam!
Hi Ninang, happy birthday po. Wish ko po sa inyo is good health and more blessings para po sa inyo at sa inyong family.
Happy birthday, Ate Ellen. Sana ibigyan mo pa ng maraming karawan. At pagpalain ka ng puwang may kapal. God bless you. I love you.
Love you po.
Birthday, Ate Ellen! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Tita Ellen!
Hi, Ate Ellen!
Jesse here.
And Babette here. We're here to greet you a happy 60th birthday. Have a blessed one. Cheers!
Hello, Ate Ellen. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Salamat.
Surpresa ka, ano nga?
Surprise. Salamat sa magandang samahan ng pamilya natin. Simula nang magkakasama tayo ng ilang taon sa maliit na bahay hanggang sa ngayon. Pati mga anak natin, dala pa yung pagmamahalan. Hindi nila nakitang nag-away-away tayo, si Mina, kami ng kuya. Yon, lalo na sa inyo, ni Mina. Magkakasama tayo sa isang maliit na bahay. Wala silang nakitang pag-aaway sa ating pamilya. Kaya salamat, Ate Ellen. Hanggang ngayon, yun ang ginagawa ng mga anak natin. nagmamahalan sila hanggang sa ngayon. Salamat. We love you.
We love you. God bless.
God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
More birthdays and blessings to come. Love you, Ate Ellen. Bye-bye.
Love you.
Ren, happy birthday.
Hey Ellen, happy advance. Happy birthday. 60 ka na rin. Sana hindi sumakit na yung mga tuhod. Sana hindi ko rin magligalig. Sigurado naman hindi dadami ang puti dahil kukulayan. Bawasan nyo naman ang sipag dahil mayaman na naman kayo. Basta salamat sa lahat-lahat.
Ellen, happy 60th birthday. Salamin ito na ina po. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday!